welcome back everybody. This is topic 7.4, the greenhouse effect. This video will show you how to get notebook pages 73, 74, and 75 set up for topic 7.4. Page 73 is our topic introduction, and in part 1 brainstorm, I'm going to ask you to give me a reason why people in Kerman tend to look for shady spots to park their cars when it's summertime. Why do we always look for shade in the Central Valley when it's summertime to park our cars? Then in part 2, called Gas and Glass, we are going to talk about the greenhouse effect itself. The greenhouse effect is named after the actual glass and plastic greenhouses that we've built for decades to help us grow our foods and flowers and crops and whatnot when it's too cold outside to do so. And we'll talk about the similarities between the greenhouse gases that cause the greenhouse effect and the clear glass and plastic parts of an actual greenhouse that have the same effect. They tend to trap heat. And then in part 3, call this Anything for Heat, we're going to look at a house in Sweden. Sweden is located up close to the Arctic Circle. It is not nearly as warm as what we have here in California. It stays relatively cool year-round, and it gets bitterly cold in the wintertime. But a family in Sweden built an entire greenhouse around their living house. We'll try to figure out why they did that. For now, please pause this video and get page 73 set up. And let's move on to page 74. This is topic instruction. We are going to be looking at 2 separate websites this week. The first one is going to be just about the greenhouse effect itself. And in this spot, you're going to give me some graphic notes on the different types of greenhouse gases, human activity that leads to the greenhouse effect, and solar irradiance. Solar irradiance means the energy coming off of the sun and what effect that might have on the temperature of the Earth. Then at the bottom, we are going to compare the greenhouse effect on 3 different planets: Venus, Earth, and Mars. This will be a separate website, and again, these will be graphic notes. For now, please pause this video and get page 74 set up. And finally, page 75, up at the top, please call this greenhouse effect simulation. We will be looking at an online simulation of the greenhouse effect and answering various questions and taking different kinds of notes on what we find. And then at the bottom is our big idea question. The big idea question this week is, what are some pros and cons of the greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect can get out of control, causing intense heat on different planets, Venus in particular, and it can get out of control on Earth as well. But after our lessons, you will also see that the greenhouse effect is actually important for our planet in order to maintain life as well. So please pause this video and get notebook page 75 set up, and then we are finished. Thank you.